Welcome back, comic collectors and diecast enthusiasts, to another episode of Curb's Garage. So we left off with the collector number 836, which did not exist. Or no, we left off with 835, the Baja Bug. Okay, so we're in 1998 still. Collector number 836 did not exist. 837 is another radio flyer wagon, but in blue, which is pretty cool. Collector 838 and 849 does not exist. And collector number 850 is this interesting thing. I don't know if we've seen it yet, but it's a railroad. It's a train, and it's called the Rail Rodder. And this is another one of those interesting castings. Like I said, you never know what they did during this whole time. It seemed like the 90s were very experimental with castings, and were very creative or running out of ideas of what to make. Maybe it's a product of both, but anyhow. So this train's plastic body, and it's got a metal base, and it's got a lot going on, but interesting casting in itself. Let's see. And where are we? We are on here. So collector 851 is a Treador. It's like a kind of a snowmobile snow thing. Collector 852 is the rigor mortar, which I like. It's kind of like a coffin Halloween type car. And collector 853 is a Camaro Z28, and with like racing tampos, it's like bright yellow. Collector number 854 is this Mercedes, or this Porsche 959. A lot of Porsche people out there. This is definitely a found in the wild one, not in the mintus condition. It comes with the SB wheels, so I don't know what that is. I don't know if that's. I guess that's them right there. Kind of a saw blade, I guess. Snow blade, saw blade. I guess that's what SB stands for. Collector 855 was another Ferrari F50 in purple. Collector 856 was a Porsche 930 in red. And Collector 857 is this T-Bird Stalker in orange. Plastic body, blacked out windows. Stream tampo on it. And it's got some weird little dots around the windshield, like it was riveted in. Also, the rear windshield does. I don't know what that's all about, but plastic base, no metal base. They're always half and half. Either the body's plastic and the base is metal, or vice versa. Collector number 858 is a Hummer, and with kind of like zebra stripes. Collector 859 is this neat little Bronco here. I like this one. Pretty cool. It's got the bike in the back. Bronco's a great casting. I mean, who doesn't like it? It's got the Trek on there. I wonder what that has to do with something Trek on it, but yeah, this one's pretty neat. Nice tinted windows, black interior, metal base, metal on metal. Did well with that one. Collector 860 Road Rocket. Collector 861 is the Twin Mill 2 again. This time, it's like in gold. This one's missing the tampos. It was a lot. Tampos were a lot like the silver one I showed earlier. This one's got a lot to be desired. I need an upgrade for that for sure. So Collector 862 was a Pontiac Salsa. Collector 863, another Oshkosh cement mixer in Dayglow yellow. Collector 864 was a big tank truck. Collector 865 is a Ford F-150, which I've been wanting to get. I haven't gotten it yet. Collector 866, another Ferrari 250. So there's a lot of Ferraris out there in this the collector series. So if you Ferrari collectors are wondering where they're at, there's a lot in this era. Collector 867 is a 97 Corvette. Collector 868 is a Range Rover. Here we go. Nice blister pool. And it's kind of forest metallic green, tan interior. It's got some racing tampos on it. Nice tinted windows. You see the Land Rover logo kind of hidden in there. It's on the hood as well. Collector 869 is Power Pipes. Collector 870 is a Chevy Stalker. 871 is an Olds 442. For you Olds 442, there's one, just a 98 mainline. It's white with some tan tampos on it. That's Collector 871 if you're looking. Collector 872 is the Rig Wrecker right here. Another one I found out in the wild. And I just noticed something when this thing turns around. It looks like at first I thought it was just some kind of dirt or something, but it looks like it's like a little peace sign sticker, if I'm correct. Maybe I'm seeing things, but let's see as it comes around here. Yeah, right here is a kind of looks like a, I don't know what that is. Yeah, seeing things. Alright. Collector 873 is a hydroplane. Collector 874 is the pit crew truck. I think I got two, and hopefully one of them's in nice condition. That one. Oh yeah. That one, which has, looks like it had the 5-dot wheels on it. And then I have much nicer condition, this one here with the SB wheels. I like this casting. I think this one's kind of a tough one in the collector series to find. A little bit. This one looks like it was they were both found out in the wild. So it must be hard to find this one in the package. Collector number 875 is a police cruiser. And collector number 877 is the Chevy. What am I missing here? What are we doing? Okay, here we go. Is the Byway Man. I like the Byway Man. This is actually, I wish the Nissan was like this. No big engine in the back, just a real truck. This one's got the white interior, as you can tell, that goes through to the bed. It's got a nice tinted windshield. The lighting's not so great on the front here. But it's metal on metal. And we have another truck, Collector 877, Chevy 1500. Interesting tampos on it. Power Charger Racing. And so yeah, pretty neat little guy. It's black interior, got a roll bar in there. The roll bar goes out to the back of the bed. Show thing, I don't know if this thing opens up. No. There's your metal base. And the body feels like it's plastic. Collector 878 to 880 do not exist. Collector 881 is a 95 Camaro convertible. Collector 882 and 83 do not exist. Collector 884 is the Gulch Stepper in yellow. Collectors 885 to 888 do not exist. Collector 889 is a Mercedes 380 SEL in black. Collector 890 is a BMW M Roadster in white with red interior. Collector 891 to 893 does not exist. Collector 894 is a Toyota MR2, popular casting. Collector 895 to 898 do not exist. Collector 899 is another 56 Flashlighter, which I do have here. And that's a pretty neat little pickup truck. And this has a chrome plastic base. So Collector 900 does not exist. So now we are in the 900s. Alright, Collector 901 to 907 don't exist. Collector 908 is a Ford Ford F Series CNG pickup truck. 909 is a 99 Mustang, which I have right here in that beautiful purple with tan interior. It says Mustang right there, so that must be it. And it's a nice casting. We can focus that one more. And there's your plaque base. Collector 910 Monte Carlo concept. This is a very, very heavy casting, and I would think this would be a very, very fast car. I think it's metal on metal. It's definitely here I have a better one, actually. I thought I had. Here's it a little bit more mintier condition. Like the tinted windows on it. Like how it's split from the body to the base. It's got tan or gray interior, it looks like. And yeah, very, very heavy. Collector 911 is old Aurora GTS 1, and that started the 1999 first edition. As a matter of fact, that 99 Mustang, the purple one, and the Monte Carlo are first editions, and almost all the 99 mainlines were first edition cars. So there's going to be a lot that I don't have. Collector 912 is a Porsche 911 GT3 Cup. Oh, wait a minute. I do have the Olds GTS. This is just a different different variation. So here's the Olds 44, or the Olds Aurora GTS 1, 1999, first edition in this nice metallic silver. Hot wheel tampos. You got the red plastic spoiler, the webbing for the windows, the gold LW wheels. Pretty neat piece. Plastic base. I kind of eventually want to get a track and do some racing one of these days. This is collector number 912, the Porsche 911 GT3 Cup, 1999 first edition. It's got an orange interior and a plastic scoop. Got some European racing tampos on it. And riding on those LW wheels, red interior. Could be orange. Yeah, it's more like orange interior. Oh, you got some tinted windows on the front. See, there is some detail on this one. There's your black plastic base. Here's collector number 913, the Pop Cycle. Like I said, these are all first editions. See the bicycle in there? And the chrome? Like an old Schwinn Stingray. It's pretty neat. I've had seen people make some custom bicycles out of those. So I guess you pedal it to make it go. I don't know. Or maybe it's kind of before the Prius. If you run out of gas, you can pedal the car. I don't know what the theory was behind it. This doesn't go up like you would think it would, but it doesn't. Somebody was overthought that one. All right, collector 914, another first edition, is the Semi Fast, and I guess this is just basically a racing tractor. I have a variation of it. Here's the all red one. It's got a scoop there, and it's got a metal base, but the whole body's plastic. Here's the variation. In black. Collector number 915, I got a nice 70s Chevelle. This is a beaut. This is a blister pool, nice metallic blue paint job, white interior, white comp stripe. Just a gorgeous muscle car, and 5-spoke wheels. A little bit better detail in the front. Metal on metal. Beautiful piece. Collector's 916 is a Fathion. Collector 917 is a Track T. 918 is a Screaming Hauler. These are all first editions. And this is collector number 919, the Fiat 500C in that gorgeous purple. And it is like no Fiat I've ever seen. I don't even know what model this thing would have came from. Oh, I guess it does say 500C, but anyhow, it's got a lot going on, metal and plastic. I'm probably going to go past the 20-minute mark because I only have a few cars to go through and we'll be done with these. Okay, so collector 920 didn't exist. 921 Ford GT40. was 921 first edition. 922 was the Jeepster first edition. 923 was the Turbulence. 925 was the Shadow MK2. And then 926 is Mercedes CLK LM is a first edition. And it is a nice car. Plastic base. And real quick, it was supposed to come with a wing. I do have two other variations. Here's a red one. Looks like a Ferrari, red. And I got it in brown. I have a root beer brown. Plastic spoiler. Slight yellow. I don't know if it's yellow or if it's the light, but almost looks like it's a slight yellow tinted. It's slight yellow tinted window. Alright, got a few more and we will be done with the collector number series. So hang tight, got about 10 more. Well, here we go. This is before I got to that. Oh shoot, you know what, I wasn't even close to getting done. I still had a whole nother side to go through, so I apologize for that, jumping the gun. Anyhow, so one more video after this and we should be done. So thanks for being patient, and take care.